In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your startup applications on your Windows computer. Knowing how to control which programs start when you boot up your PC can significantly optimize your computer's performance and speed. So let's dive in and take a few simple steps to get this done effortlessly. Firstly, you'll want to begin by going to your desktop. Take a moment to ensure you've closed any unnecessary programs or files you might have open. This will give you a clean work environment to make these adjustments. Once peacefully on your desktop, let's direct our attention to the taskbar, that bar typically located at the bottom of your screen. The taskbar serves as a convenient space where you can quickly access open applications and system settings. Next, position your cursor over the taskbar and perform a right click. This action will reveal a context menu, a compact list of additional options at your disposal. You'll likely notice various system settings here, but for today, we're focusing primarily on streamlining our startup process. From this list, find and select Task Manager. Task Manager is an essential Windows utility that allows you to monitor active tasks and adjust system settings, particularly those affecting the computer's startup behavior. Once you've opened Task Manager, you might find yourself a bit overwhelmed by the display of numbers and data. Don't worry, we'll simplify things and concentrate only on what's important for adjusting your startup settings. In the Task Manager window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Locate and click on Startup Apps. This tab is symbolized by a speedometer icon, indicating its role in controlling how quickly your system gets going after a boot up. This section provides a list of all the applications configured to launch automatically when your system starts. Now it's time to decide which apps you'd like to enable or disable. You'll see the name of each application along with its publisher and status. To enable an application means it will automatically launch each time you start your computer, ideal for programs you use frequently. On the flip side, disabling an application prevents it from launching at startup, which helps speed up your computer's boot time by reducing the load on your system resources. Review the list carefully and decide which applications are crucial for immediate availability versus those that can be manually opened when necessary. To change the status of an app, simply click on its name to highlight it, then use the Enable or Disable button at the bottom right of the window. And there you have it. With just a few steps, we've streamlined your startup process to ensure a swifter and more efficient computer experience. Congratulations on taking control of your system settings. Remember to periodically revisit the Task Manager to keep your startup process optimized as your software needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this guide helpful.